Now we started here in the second grade. She missed somehow.
I think because of the flexibility we have, that the subject matter, we have a personal interest in the subject matter, so we can convey it a little more wholeheartedly. I mean, we do books we love, books that are classics, books that we can go into depth with, that, you know, it's not directed towards an SEL, which in third grade in public schools, you're boom, 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 and teaching to that. We're teaching literature, we're teaching writing, we're teaching vocabulary and comprehension so that they can apply these things.
Here we're able to focus. If I need to teach the lesson over again the next day, keep practicing, I can, because that's what the children need.
Right. We can teach to mastery. We don't, because we have the opportunity to remediate.
We do Singapore math. It's very visual based, a lot of manipulatives at first, and then we move on to the visual, and then we do just the basic algorithms. I think we do what are called bar models. So like this is like 546 is 87 less than what number? So when they see that, a lot of times what they think is they have to subtract, but what they do is they realize, okay, well here's 546, and this number, it's 87 less, so it's like this space right here, so then they realize, oh look, I'm looking for a bigger bar, so I have to add. I mean, something as simple as this, but they see that number and they think they're supposed to subtract, so, which is completely wrong. So to have that visual really helps them. So in third grade, this is when they really start learning how to bar model, and when they get to fourth and fifth grade, the bar modeling is so intense, but they're doing algebra in fourth and fifth grade by just using these.
Science in third grade is primarily earth science and some physical science. We start the year studying caves. I use a story that is about an experience two children have. They go in a cave and they befriend a little imaginary bat who teaches them all about the cave, and then we go to the cave. We go to Natural Bridge. Now that's the bridge itself, but they have caverns there as well, so they actually get to see the formations that they have studied and learned about. They're doing a lot of writing. For example, this is the last novel that we do. We do a lot of vocabulary, then they write a summary for every chapter. You know, we've worked on summaries in every single novel that we've read. Individual time, we will pull them aside maybe during recess. I mean, out on the sidewalk we might be working with a child. We meet with them before school or after school on occasion.
And I think we do more like small group than individual. We kind of grab similar kids and pull them back. Now whether that's similar because they need to be enriched and they're ready to move on a little bit more, or whether they need the help for remediation.